This is a very interesting question. We are solving 2 and inside the parentheses 4 plus 2 and minus 3 and 4 minus 2. So multiply first. 2 times 4 equals 8 and plus and 2 times 2 equals 4, right? And minus 3 and 4 minus 2. Now 8 plus 4 minus 3 times 4 equals 12 and 3 times 2 equals 6, right? Now 8 plus 4 equals 12 minus 12 minus 6 equals 6. Now 12 minus 6 equals 6. Okay, so multiply first now inside the parentheses. So 2 and 4 plus 2 equals 6, right? Minus 3 and 4 minus 2 equals 2. Now 2 times 6 equals 12 minus 3 times 2 equals 6 and 12 minus 6 equals 6. Both methods give the same result, 6 and 6. Multiplying 2 with 4 and 2 is also correct. It's just another way to apply the same rule.